Okay, as I'm looking at this problem, I see this dot in the middle of the parentheses. That tells me it's going to be a multiplication. And I also see an exponent on the outside of the parentheses. So that tells me that I need to bring this exponent to the inside. In the order of operations, PEMDAS, I know that I need to do the exponent before I do the multiplication. So the first thing I need to do is I need to bring this exponent into the parentheses. Our rule for that was what we said is when you have x to the power of a to the power of b, so an exponent outside of the parentheses, you multiply this exponent times the exponent on the inside. So this is x to the power of a times b. In this case, both the a and the b would have exponents of 1. Because there's not an exponent written there, they both have exponents of 1. So this would be a to the power of 1 and b to the power of 1. When I multiply in this 3, this will give me a to the power of 1 times 3 and b to the power of, again, 1 times 3. 1 times 3 is 3, so this gives me a to the third and b to the third, or a cubed and b cubed. Then I'm going to bring down this ab squared, and remember that we are multiplying between this term and this term, so we're going to be taking ab squared times a cubed b cubed. And from our earlier problems, we learned that when we are multiplying variables together, we add their exponents. So once again, this a, because it doesn't have an exponent written, is a to the power of 1. So when I multiply a to the power of 1 times a to the power of 3, that gives me a to the power of 1 plus 3. And then I take b to the power of 2 times b to the power of 3, that gives me b to the power of 2 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, so I have a to the 4th. And 2 plus 3 is 5, so that gives me b to the 5th. So my final answer here would be a to the 4th, b to the 5th. Now if you struggle to follow this, there is a different example that I will show you in the next video. It's going to be done a different way that might be more helpful to you. So I recommend watching that video if you were lost on this one.